Emotional drama as Isha and Suraj find themselves caught in a playful battle that quickly turns into something much bigger. The story begins with Isha teasing Suraj in her usual cheerful and mischievous way. With complete confidence, she tells him that she has every right to trouble him because he is her husband. According to her, being a wife comes with special privileges, and one of those privileges is teasing her husband whenever she wants. At first, Suraj watches her antics quietly. But this time, instead of simply laughing along, he decides to respond in a way that leaves Isha completely stunned. Looking straight into her eyes, Suraj reminds her that if a wife has rights, then a husband has rights too. He tells her that he has every right to express his feelings, show his displeasure, and even be upset with his wife whenever she hurts him. His serious tone instantly changes the atmosphere. For a moment, Isha is left speechless. This is not the Suraj she was expecting. She thought he would smile and forgive her as always, but something feels different today. The playful game she started is suddenly turning against her. As their conversation continues, the situation becomes even more intense. What started as harmless teasing slowly transforms into a battle of emotions. Neither of them is willing to back down. Eventually, Isha realizes that Suraj is genuinely upset. Not wanting the distance between them to grow, she decides to make peace. With a soft smile, she tries to cheer him up and bring back his good mood. But Suraj has already made up his mind. This time, he is not going to forgive her so easily. The tables have completely turned. Usually, Suraj is the one trying to convince Isha whenever she gets angry. But now the roles are reversed. Isha becomes the one chasing after him, while Suraj enjoys watching her struggle to win him over. Determined to make things right, Isha begins trying everything she can think of. She speaks sweetly to him. She takes extra care of him. She does everything she knows he likes. Every effort is filled with sincerity and affection. Yet Suraj remains stubborn. No matter what Isha does, he refuses to melt. Seeing this, Isha becomes increasingly worried. She cannot understand why nothing is working. Every plan she comes up with ends in failure. Every attempt to make him smile only seems to strengthen his determination. Meanwhile, Suraj secretly enjoys the situation. Deep down, he is not truly angry. He simply wants Isha to understand how important his feelings are. He wants her to realize that relationships are not just about having rights, they are also about understanding, respect, and care. As the day progresses, the battle between husband and wife becomes even more entertaining. Their playful arguments create several funny moments, but beneath the humor lies a deeper emotional connection. Both of them care for each other deeply. Neither wants to hurt the other. Yet both are too stubborn to admit defeat. The tension continues to grow until Isha finally decides to stop playing games. She puts her pride aside and approaches Suraj with complete honesty. This time, there are no jokes, no tricks, no playful excuses. Instead, she speaks directly from her heart. She tells him how much he means to her and how difficult it is for her to see him upset. She admits that she never intended to hurt his feelings and that all she wants is for them to be happy together again. For the first time, Suraj's stubborn expression begins to soften. The sincerity in Isha's voice touches his heart. Although he tries to hide it, he can no longer ignore how much effort she has made to make things right. He realizes that she truly regrets upsetting him and that she has done everything possible to bring a smile back to his face. Finally, the moment arrives. Suraj lets go of his anger. The wall between them comes crashing down. A smile appears on his face, and Isha immediately understands that she has finally succeeded. The misunderstanding ends. The distance disappears. And once again, love wins. The couple reunites, happier than ever before. Their bond grows stronger, and the warmth returns to their relationship. The playful conflict that once threatened to create distance between them ultimately brings them even closer together. But the surprises do not stop there. A beautiful new chapter is about to begin. The story hints at a grand celebration waiting ahead for Suraj and Isha. Filled with love, joy, and unforgettable moments, the upcoming events promise to create memories that neither of them will ever forget. For the first time in a long while, there appears to be no enemy standing between them. No misunderstandings. No obstacles. Just two people deeply in love and ready to embrace a fresh start. As happiness returns to their lives, viewers are left eagerly waiting to see what happens next. Will this new beginning bring even more romance into their relationship? Will fate finally allow them to enjoy their happiness without interruption? Or does destiny still have another surprise waiting around the corner? Only time will tell. One thing, however, is certain. Suraj and Isha's journey continues to capture hearts with its perfect blend of love, emotion, humor, and drama.